Discover the ultimate secret to natural wellness. Introducing Dr. Vita Barley Pro, your daily companion for a healthier, more vibrant life. Crafted from the purest green barley, harvested at its peak to ensure you receive the most potent natural nutrients available. Infused with vitamin C and fucoidan, this premium formula is designed to purify your body and enhance your overall well-being. Strengthen your body's natural defenses. Our unique blend provides the comprehensive immune system support you need every single day. Experience a deep, natural detox. It helps flush out harmful toxins, leaving you feeling refreshed, revitalized, and completely renewed. Promote better digestion and gut health. Feel lighter and more comfortable as your body processes nutrients more efficiently. With powerful antioxidant protection, Dr. Vita Barley Pro fights free radicals while naturally boosting your energy levels for an active lifestyle. Because true health starts from the inside, giving you the vitality and strength to conquer every challenge your day brings. Take care of your health naturally with Dr. Vita Barley Pro. Message us now to start your journey to wellness.
Alam mo ba na ang barley grass ay maaaring makatulong para ma-prevent ang iba't ibang sakit? Ang barley grass ay isang cereal plant na pwedeng kainin as is. Madalas ginagawa din itong juice, powder o health supplement dahil marami ang health benefits nito. It has vitamin C, zinc, and iron para palakasin ang immune system para malabanan ng katawan ang sakit at impeksyon. Beta-glucan, a soluble fiber na makakatulong pababain ang bad cholesterol para maprotektahan ang heart at blood vessels at maiwasan ang risk ng heart attack at stroke. Flavonoids, ito ay may anti-fatigue effect. Kaya mararamdaman mo na mas madami kang energy. Plus, pinapabuti nito ang daloy ng oxygen sa iyong katawan. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effect na nakakatulong mabawasan ang risk ng tumor growth at magkaroon ka ng cancer. At para madali at conveniently mo makuha ang lahat ng benepisyo ng barley, ginawa namin itong powder at tableta in the form of Dr. Vita Barley Powder and Dr. Vita Barley Pro. At bukod sa barley, dinagdagan pa ito ng other minerals and nutrients to help and balance your body with everyday tasks. Kaya feel more energetic and support your day with Dr. Vita Barley Powder and Dr. Vita Barley Pro. This is Dr. Cecil Katapang, your health and wellness advocate. Follow us for more health tips.